In this video we're gonna replace ignition coil on 2014 Mercedes ML350 W166, and the coil is on cylinder 6, which is probably the toughest one to replace. The easiest one's gonna be on this side, 1, 2, 3. Tougher ones on this side, 4, 5, 6. Start by removing this cover. Might not be necessary, but it gives a little bit more access. These cables might be in a way, but we'll see if we can get it done without disconnecting the computer. Gonna start by removing 2 bolts. One's here, one's there, over there. The size of this bolt is E8. Okay, one is out, second one might be a bit tougher. And it's out as well. Now we're gonna try to unplug the ignition coil. It's over there. I was able to pull that plastic connector back just with my hand. Let's see if I'll be able to unplug it. I decided to unplug computer. Just pull this all the way towards me. And this one is out. Can also take this one out. So with that I was able to push this cable on the other side of the dipstick, just to get a little bit better clearance. It sucks that there's almost no room at all, so I'm gonna remove this computer. Think I pulled it out. Now I should have a little better access to remove the connector. Still sucks. There you go. That sucked. Now I think we can pull out the ignition coil. Still doesn't really want to go, even though I pulled it out about 1 inch. Definitely made it so much easier with this tool. First time I used it for this job is while ignition coil was installed. Did like this, grab it something like this and pull it out, and then it was still stuck, but I was able to pull it out about 1 inch. And when 1 inch was out, I was able to put it something like this and pull it out more. Okay, now it's time to install ignition coil. For some reason cylinder 6 to me it's always most complicated as far as even inserting spark plug or ignition coil. I never can get the angle right, that's why I'm using the camera again here. For ignition coil I decided to use Bosch. That's the original one. Cost about $55. But before inserting I'm gonna put some dielectric grease here. And again, I'll be using the camera just as a extra assistance or help to guide it in the right location. it's in, and again using this camera, just gonna double check it's in, and you could see it is in. Just pushed it in further, and now it's in for sure. For $120 I paid for this camera. It's a perfect tool to have. By the way, torque specs for spark plugs is 23 Newton meters. When I replaced all spark plugs, I just used ratchet without torque wrench. Just now, off camera, I used torque wrench on this cylinder 6, and I was right on point, 23 Newton meters. So now I'm gonna put those 2 bolts in to secure ignition coil. Just start by hand tightening it first. Should be in now, and now let's work on the one in the back. This one, unfortunately, you won't really be able to see. Okay, this side is good. Now I'm gonna secure the front one all the way. Okay, front is secure. Now I'm gonna connect the connector, and I'll just put a little bit of dielectric grease here as well. So now we just have to put the computer back. And all the connectors. Now just this cover back on. And now we'll just start the vehicle, check for codes. So vehicle is running fine, no issues. So that's how I changed ignition coil on cylinder 6 on 2014 Mercedes ML350 W166. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll reply as soon as I can. I'll provide the Amazon affiliate links for ignition coil and tools I use to get this job done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.